Morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some fairly pleasant conditions out there this morning, seeing some low cloud, but that'll burn off for the morning into the early afternoon hours, seeing some warm temperatures for today, with temperatures in the upper 70s for highs. Some locations today could even hit 80 across the area. Going to see some slightly breezy southwesterly winds this afternoon, so could see a brief time period when we have a wind advisory. Precipitation and lightning chances today look minimal. Only about a 10 to 15% chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, so very low wind chances, and most likely will stay dry today, and we'll see a fair amount of sunshine for this afternoon with those warm temperatures, so it will feel like a very nice spring day across the region. Currently, looking at our surface analysis, we do have a weak boundary off to our west. Very similar situation we had yesterday. Did have some thunderstorms roll through last night in association with a weak boundary or trough across the region. We'll continue to see this very similar pattern to yesterday across the region for today. In general, seeing that area low pressure across the Great Lakes will have a boundary across the region, but overall forcing is limited today and not much in the way of precipitation expected across our region today. Taking a look at our current observation, we have a broken deck at 300 feet as well as 8,000 feet. Some restricted visibilities down to 3 nautical miles statute miles, with some mist across the region, so some patchy fog as well across the area. Seeing our winds this morning, currently out of the south about 4 knots, temperature 67 degrees, and relative humidity around 95%. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have some clouds across the area, mainly around that 300-foot and 8,000-foot levels. Going to see that low cloud kind of linger across the region this morning and should push off the coast and burn off across the area for later this morning into the afternoon hours, expecting some VFR conditions once we move past about 10 o'clock this morning. Taking a look at the HRRR model for today, you can see here a very slight chance of a pop-up shower thunderstorm, mainly afternoon today, but overall those chances are limited, and the best chance will come across Pennsylvania today with the base of that upper level trough moving through or approaching that region for later today. And taking a look at our risk chart today, we'll see that red condition for our ceilings below 500 feet this morning. That'll quickly move off the region, as I mentioned. High today is 78, low tonight around 58. We'll see a yellow for our winds this afternoon, gusting at 23 to 24 knots, so can't rule out a wind advisory for a brief time period this afternoon into the early evening hours. Overnight, we'll see light winds in general and good conditions to start your Wednesday. So looking at our terminal forecast, we'll see those lower ceilings across the region throughout the morning hours, still continuing to see a broken deck around 1,000 feet through the early afternoon hours on this terminal forecast here, but we'll likely see time periods between 10 and 1 p.m. or 1300 local where we have VFR conditions. And then after 1700 UTC or 1 p.m. this afternoon, we'll see VFR conditions across the area, and that'll continue through tomorrow morning. Our tides are running normal at this time, and looking at Wednesday into Thursday. Wednesday, mostly sunny during the morning, becoming partly to mostly cloudy in the afternoon, a high of 77. Wednesday night, partly to mostly cloudy and mild, a low of 60. And for Thursday, we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies, a chance of afternoon, evening showers and thunderstorms, high of 76 degrees. Right now, capping those thunderstorm chances around and rain shower chances around 40% on our Thursday, with a yellow for our precipitation and lightning. That's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock for the next 7 days.